Reverse-seared steak in the drum smoker, unbelievably tasty. The trick is to get nice thick pieces of steak. Either cut your own or go to your local butcher asking for something nice and thick. Then you're just going to I just give it a bit of oil so that the salt and pepper stays on while I hang it. You can put any kind of rub on there. To set up the drum smoker, I'm using a full chimney of charcoal. And then we're just going to hang our meat over the top. Nice and easy. Once you've hung your meat, you can add a bit of smoke if you wish. Today I don't have proper wood, so I'm just using rosemary offcuts. And then just let it do its thing. I'm aiming for an internal temperature of 50 degrees, so I'll check it at 30 minutes, but mostly it takes about 45 minutes and it's around about the right place. And then we're taking it off, and while it's resting, we're getting the chimney ready. Once the coals are ready, we dump them into the basket, and I chuck a little grate over the bottom, and then we're ready to sear these beautiful little beasts. You're just going to give them, I would say a maximum a minute on each side, but depending how they're going, probably for 30 seconds should we probably do it. And then once you feel that you've got a nice little outer crust on it, they're ready to go. So we're ready to carve now. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, perfect. Look at that. Look at the color. And so juicy. It's such an easy process. You should really give it a try. You don't need a smoker drum. You can do it indirectly in your gas or in a Weber or even in the oven if you need to. But just give it a go. Well worth it.